3 weeks.
Very nice. Wow.
Thank you.
How much space did you use out of this vehicle? Do you know gross? Do you have any numbers? Do you know at all?
I actually have the build sheet in the back if you want.
You do? Oh, okay. Yeah. I mean, I'll check it out. Yeah. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Yes, sir. All right. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's on here first?
Yeah. It's Robert Guy. I have 6 U15s on the Salt 8K. I've got a VFL 500.4 on my doors, my PRV 6.5s. And Brand X LTOs, 72 amp hours, and a Brand X 300 XL alternator.
Very nice. Looks really good. Nice and clean. Is the subs and all broken into, or are you still testing and learning?
These are the ones I had in my 4.
Yes, your no wall with a.
Right.
Yep.
And now I went to, I bought 2 more, and these first 2 are the new ones.
Yes, sir. Okay. All right. Very nice.
And it's only been in for a week.
Okay. Do you know your tunings on it?
Yes, it's 27 at the port and 45 at the front.
Okay.
This was done in 3 weeks.
Very nice. Wow.
Thank you.
How much space did you use out of this vehicle? Do you know gross? Do you have any numbers? Do you know at all?
I actually have the build sheet in the back if you want.
You do? Oh, okay. Yeah. I mean, I'll check it out. Yeah. Nice.
Oh, look. I tell everybody I got my build sheet.
Uh-huh.
Oh, shit. Here's my build sheet.
Hey, there you go. It works. So your rear tuning, you're half an octave, so you play down to about 18, 19 hertz, yep, depending on how you do your door and window.
Right.
Nice.
If I roll it up and open that one door, it's freaking ridiculous. Yeah. That's why I did that first.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Awesome. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob. I hope you're enjoying the video so far from Robert. He did a great job showcasing his system. Really powerful single amplifier on these 6 subs. And I went ahead, and this is the thumbnail from his previous system he was talking about, where he used these subs in his new wall today. So check out that link in the description if you want, as well as comment and let him know what you think about his system. Say something positive that you think. I really like that it's the layout of his system for his 6th order design with his 6 subwoofer variation, and I like the concept color of his black and white scheme on his port in the front there. So shout out to you, man. He showed us his box specs real quick. I took a screenshot to show y'all. So right around 4.5 cubes per sub on the top end, and then his bottom end was right around 3.2 cubes per. Lower tuned port was at 27 hertz, higher tuned port was at 45 hertz. If anybody doesn't know what I'm saying by these, he has a rear port on the back of his box for his rear tuning, which is his bottom of his enclosure, and then the top of his enclosure, which is where all the subwoofers are inverted, that's his top port, which is in the front. So his front port would be considered his top port, depending on how you talk about that. So really cool that he showed us that, Robert. Has all 6 of these subwoofers wired to this single amplifier around the 0.6 to 0.8 ohm mark. I didn't find out exactly what it was wired to. So this video was from Ruckus and Chill 2021 show in Fayetteville, North Carolina in November. So I'm finally getting to upload it about 8 to 9 months later. So I hope you're enjoying the video. Shout out to you once again, Robert. Great job with this bass system that you have. A big improvement from his last build when he had a no wall impossible box I showed you earlier. So he's going to give us a 2-song demo. We're going to hear 27 hertz and up on the second song he plays. And this first song is insane. He plays 17 hertz and up. So enjoy this 2-song demo. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. All right. Want me to have this up? No? Okay.
I'm giving you the full beat now.
Sure, man. man, you play low too. That's a really good bandwidth, and your door. I don't know how you're gonna not keep it from breaking. It's flexing like crazy.
There's no air going into that door, so it's just the panel on the inside really doing all the movement.
Got it. Yeah.
So if it breaks the inside,
Wow, very nice bandwidth.
yeah, and I just moved it up to 26 to 40.
Okay.
And it played 26.
Night and day. You go from a no wall to this, and then just everything improved. Yeah. Thank you for the demo, man. Very nice.
Anytime.
Yeah, man. Awesome. That was fun.
I like it when you put it on the YouTube.
Yeah, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.